Okay, this is a continuations from the earlier where after we have actually uploaded all. It was actually unorganized, but I have organized it based. I mean, you can just drag and drop. The section one, section two, three, using by a proper um, you know proper arrangement. Now since that we have completed, let's go to the next level. The next level will be, all right, now you can choose whether you want to have a classic, flip, hard copy, coil, interactive, and simple. And you can see the section on top here where you have more until the 21 sections. My suggestion is that we can have it in full screen preview, because when you have a full screen preview, this will allow your viewers to also be able to use the toolbar on top here and the right hand side of the column where they can select the sections, because you have at least about 21 section. So when you have it here, it's a lot easier for them to know and to read the title, okay, just by putting by scrolling their mouse on top of each of the thumbnail based on section. So you should have at least about 21 section in here. Okay, if you still on the free version, you might not be able to see everything once, and only complete once you have made the points or payment. Then you may be able to see until the section 21 and the cover at the back. Why you can see this? Because you are actually in the flip snacks um, flip snacks page. So they at the same time they are actually we are actually be able to promoting them. That's why you can actually see the full version, but once it's embedded in your website, you can't see. We will go and touch that part later on. So on this section below it, there is the setting. A shelf is actually something, a design where you can see your if you have many books, you can see your book will be displayed on a shelf. So um, that is not what we wanted. We just want to have a classic widget. Okay, it's like it's going to be easily in band. Okay, this is the size that will be in band. You should know what size that you need to put on your website. So you first, let us go to your editor mode for your website, and we'll go to the read online page. This will be the page that PayPal will direct your customer to land upon when they successfully make the payment as a members. So this is where the book will stand. Okay, when you click on it, a menu will come up, and this is the HTML. For Wix, it's not advisable because it will redirect. You can see the whole page of the flip snack here if you use the code, if you use the website address. So what we do, we just use the HTML code, go back and go down. You can see the size is actually 265 by 440. So you have to rearrange the size here to 625 or slight lesser, and 400, okay, which I have already set. Okay, always choose the flip button. Yes, that is here, the flip button, and the thumbnail navigation in here and the right hand side. Enable the flip sound. Yes. Enable files download. No, make sure that you untick, because when you tick that, okay, people will be able to download from here later. So this is for our paid members that do not download but only read online, so we just untick that. Yes, we can allow on a full screen when people double click on that. And for future for sharing, if you don't think that you want to it's going to be a free, then you can allow this to happen. If this is a paid thing, paid for paid members, then unshare it, because people will just easily jump to the link and easily get everything what they want easily. So merge, no. Okay, transparent background, auto flip, no. This is not actually a promotion, this is for people to navigate manually. And the rest is more or less like that. And if you would like to have other version language, you can use other version. For the meantime, we have English. Okay, is it going to be a solid color? For the meantime, I'm using gray as a normal. Okay, or you can actually select, let's see if you're interested on having blue. See blue. Okay, see whether that works. Press OK, and we can only view it later, right? So you want your first page to be the cover, which we have actually select. All right, you can actually upload a new image, but the first page and the last page will be the front and the back cover. So then next, click next. Okay, it will bring us here. Okay, where the page later on you can edit name and everything, the details over here. Okay, once you are logged in now, if you want to see it, to let it be visible to public, you can click tick this, but since that this is for members, make sure that it is unclicked. Okay, and next is uh, get you do this is not something that you want to download. This is actually meant for your website, so what you want to do is just click on embed. Okay, for the meantime I'm just going to show it as a demo, as a sample, so we're going to use the free version, but once you want to make it for your customers, you will have to pay the premium option. So let's go just use the watermark free version, and this is what you're going to copy, or you just click this. Okay, all right, now let's go to your page and have it here, then paste it, make sure you update it. Okay, now it's going to be updated here. Unfortunately, when you try to view it later, you won't be able to see up to 21 section until you make the points paid, and make sure that you invent the, what do you call this, the invent these HTML code working. So at the meantime, it is on full on free version where it will color black, but once you have made a payment, it will be normal. You can see the book as usual, and it will be on the full screen. And when you people click, it will be full screen, where you can see the scroll bar on the top, on the left hand side, the thumbnail, and at the bottom. And just update, make sure that you save and publish. Okay, so for right now, okay, close. Okay, if you want to make the payment for to have the full version payment for the points, just go to my Flipsnack. Right, later you can just go that. Okay, this will be the one. Make sure that you make sure that you edit first all description, then make the payment. Okay, this was my previous earlier version, and this was the teaser which we use for your website, so this one I will take out. Okay, I will delete this directly. This also has 20 version, but this is the old version. Now let me just delete. Now make sure what you're going to edit is this one mentioned front cover. Okay, and when you want to make, once you have done everything, okay, when you want to view, can view it here, see whether, make sure you double check first. Okay, humans error, sometimes I do make mistake, and most of the time, yeah, I admit I do make mistake. Now check whatever necessary, see if you need anything, and you can view directly from there. And if you want to make payments for the points, just buy now. Okay, and that's about it for the meantime. This is Amy representing Webmagic Online Solution for auto detailing Ebook. That's it for now. Goodbye.